Unlocking the phrase, Ante Up, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Ante Up. This phrase isn't just a simple collection of words, it's packed with history and meaning. So, let's dive in and uncover the secrets of Ante Up together. Ante Up has its roots in the world of gambling, particularly in card games like poker. The word ante refers to a stake or bet that each player must put into the pot before a hand begins. It ensures that every player has something at stake and contributes to the game's excitement. By understanding this origin, you can better grasp how the phrase is used in everyday English. In modern times, Ante Up has transcended its gambling origins. Now, it's commonly used in various situations to mean contributing or paying one's share. Whether it's about sharing costs, taking responsibility, or making an effort, Ante Up is a call to action. It implies that everyone involved should contribute their fair share to a collective effort or responsibility. To fully grasp Ante Up, let's see it in action. 1. Financial context. Every month, we all ante up to cover the rent and utilities. 2. Social responsibility. When the community faced a crisis, everyone needed to ante up and support each other. 3. Team projects. It's time to ante up with ideas for our group presentation. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting smoothly into financial, social, and collaborative contexts. While Ante Up is a useful phrase, it's important to be mindful of its gambling connotations. In some contexts, especially formal or professional environments, using a phrase with gambling origins might be perceived as informal or inappropriate. Understanding these nuances is key to using Ante Up effectively and sensitively. Ante Up is a phrase rich in history and meaning, perfect for encouraging contribution and involvement. We hope this exploration has added a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about history, culture, and context. Keep learning and keep sharing. Until next time, keep practicing and don't forget to ante up your English skills every day.